The production of fish feed for catfish involves several key steps, including the use of various ingredients, formulation, and manufacturing process. The first point in this introduction is the formulation of catfish feed is based on the nutritional requirements and feeding characteristics of the fish, and it is essential to provide a nutritionally complete diet that supports the growth and development of catfish. The manufacturing process for catfish feed typically involve extrusion or pelletization, which use heat, pressure, and water to shape the feed into small pellets or crumbles, making it easier to handle and feed the fish. The last point is catfish feed are often supplemented with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to ensure they meet the dietary requirement of the fish.
Next, there are three importance in the selection of catfish. According to Thirukantan Chandrasegaran et al. 2023, first is commercial importance. Catfish are kept and farmed for human food. Second, ecology roles. Catfish play a role in the habitat by contributing to the balance of the aquatic ecosystem through their role as prey, predator, and scavenger based on their size and species. And the last point is as a scientific research, which is a potential model for scientific research in toxicology, evolutionary biology, fisheries, parasitology, and neurology.
Reasons of choosing selected ingredient in diet formulation. Fish meal. Fish meal is a good source of protein for fish growth, tissue repair, and maintenance. It also helps in formation hormone, enzyme, antibody, and hemoglobin. It is also an ingredient needed for palatability for our fish feed. Secondly, soybean meal. Soybean meal is a plant-based source of protein, a substituent ingredient that reduces the reliance fish meal as a protein source. Other than that, tapioca starch. It is inexpensive dietary energy. It can help spare protein for growth purpose instead of an energy source. It also a binding property that helps to reduce dust content in finishing feed.
Next, we proceed with CMC, carboxymethyl cellulose used as binder. Vitamin premix contains all essential vitamins needed for fish to grow healthy. Mineral, source of macrominerals and microminerals. Finally, lipid, in the form of fish oil, used as energy source to spare protein and to supply essential fatty acid.
Ingredients for a 250 gram batch, which consists of 84.28 gram fish meal, 127.75 gram soybean meal, 35.15 gram tapioca starch, 16.83 gram lipids or fish oil, 5 gram each vitamin and mineral, and 2.95 gram carboxymethyl cellulose. In addition, water has been recommended to be added at a ratio of 40 to 50%, equivalent to 100 to 135 milliliter, resulting in a weight of 276.96 gram.
Breaking news! Students Aquaculture Year 2 has successfully practiced fish feed making that they have learned in nutrition and feed development subject.
Here, it is the ingredient needed for making practical fish feed. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, put all the dry ingredient in a basin and mix it well. Once it well combined, put in fish oil liter by liter and mix it, and lastly, add in water and mix it for the last time.
And then, get the pelletization machine ready, where we use the standard size of mold and process the feed. Put the pellet on a baking tray, put in the tray inside the oven, and air dry the pellet on 45 degrees Celsius overnight.
Tada! Our practical fish feed is ready to serve.